ahead and work on the technique to join the arms or the wings of this doll without any sewing. As you do this section, you're going to pinch the wing flat, and when you do so, you'll notice that the 8 stitches in the second round here will be equivalent to 4 stitches when you crochet it flat across. So what I'll do here is I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook into the first 2 stitches on the very side. And make sure you're holding the wing so that the opening is facing the same as your penguin's opening. So it has to face up. And I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch in this round here. And I'm going to work a single crochet to go through, like so. Next, you're going to go into the next 2 stitches and into this the second stitch right here. There we go. And after you do that, you're going to pull through and make a single crochet like you did earlier. Insert your hook into the next 2 stitches. Go into the next stitch here as well, and single crochet. And we're going to do that one more time. Insert hook and single crochet. And let me show you what that looks like after you stitched across. When you pull the arm down, it's going to be attached to the body seamlessly. No sewing at all needed, and that's that. It's pretty securely stitched on because you've gone through both layers of the wing, and you'll be repeating the instructions on the other side. When you finish the white portion, you'll be attaching the second wing there. All right, hope this was helpful.